Well, the Terry Governing Council may have claimed that Pachauri's new role in the organization is just to oversee the transition of power in the organization. But they're a little too small an effort to control the damage is not working. Women's group have reached Terry's doorstep and have submitted a memorandum demanding that Terry's Governing Council take into account the charges against Pachauri. In fact, Times Now has accessed the details of that memorandum, and Rhythm will tell us more about it. Rhythm. All right, we'll try and connect with Rhythm, who's been tracking this story, and get you the details of that memorandum. In fact, we do understand that the meeting that was taking place in Terry has ended. Whether any decision has been taken or not is something we will have to wait for. Reactions coming in. We'll play out those reactions for you in just a bit. Remember, late last night, a Terry spokesperson did tell Times Now that the Governing Council has only put in R.K. Pachauri and in that position to ensure that there is a smooth transition for the new DG.
Dr. Marshall, please.
What are the issues discussed in the Governing Council?
Dr. Marshall, please talk to the appropriate person. Thank you.
Did you raise any objection, ma'am?
Any objections were raised
from any member or any participant?
On role in the Governing Council, ma'am.
Sorry. Dr. Marshall will speak.
Ma'am, why members are silent and not speaking against Mrs. Pachauri, ma'am? Why all members are silent, ma'am?
Ma'am,
you waited so long.
We are quite angry. Even the alumni are angry. There is confusion over the.
Is there any kind of pressure?
Terry, sir? How are you Terry?
Hey, मेरा मीटिंग है.
अच्छा.
क्या हो गया संजीव? आप लोग थोड़ा समझो.
Well, members of the Governing Council, one by one, coming out of that meeting, but at this point of time, none of them are taking any questions. They've been quiet all this while. Wonder when they will finally speak up and act. Rhythm, coming back to you, the point is also the fact that they may say he's just there to oversee the entire transition process, but in that case, why not give him a non-executive role? Why make him the executive vice chairman?
And that's too, Tanvi, at a time when the entire world seems to have taken notice of what's happening here. If that's not an exaggeration. Terry students themselves are saying we won't accept rewards. Terry students were young students of the university who took this call. Terry alumni said that we condemn this move of super appointing him as super boss. It's almost like a slap in the face of the sexual harassment victims. The victim herself said that I feel that shamelessness abounds. My flesh is crawling. And remember, since last year that we've been speaking to her, she said this was my main fear. Now that he's there, he'll try and intimidate witnesses. Anyone who wants to speak up for me will not be able to do so. Not only them, the Delhi police and status reports that have been filed in the court say that we want custodial interrogation of R.K. Pachauri. Even when he was in the hospital in July, at that point of time also he was trying to coerce witnesses. So this is a very clear thing that's coming across from all quarters. Finally, today we have to see, after so much pressure from everybody, will the Governing Council take action? Even now, they're not ready to speak. Terry, as a whole, has clamped down. Since the last few days, Tanvi, I've been trying to get in touch with them, some word to them. Other than 2-paragraph press statements coming out from their communications head, nothing else is being told to us. They're absolutely quiet and saying, just wait for the next press statement. That's what we're going to do now.